In this video, we will talk about how to secure IoT devices using blockchain and fog computing. First, we will discuss the security challenges faced by IoT devices. What are some existing solutions and their shortcomings? Next, we will talk about the technologies we will be using in proposed scheme, that is blockchain, what are Ethereum smart contracts, and fog computing, and why it is more suitable for IoT devices than cloud computing. Then we will present a scheme for user authentication in IoT using these technologies. And lastly, we will implement and test it in Remix. On October 2016, a hacker found a vulnerability on a specific model of security cameras. Nearly 3 lakh IoT video recorders started to attack multiple social networks websites and brought down Twitter and other high-profile platforms for almost 2 hours. This attack is just an example of what can happen to IoT devices with poor security. The first issue, which is most common in IoT, is authentication. Authentication is the process of checking the originality of the user or entity participating in the communication. Second is confidentiality. It grants the authorized entities to access and modify data. In IoT environment, authorization is not only given to user but also to the objects. Third one is integrity. It is important to protect data from unauthorized modifications, such as malicious code injection. Code signed with digital certifications can be used to verify the integrity of the data and make sure that content has not been tampered during transmission. Fourth one is non-repudiation. It is the assurance that someone cannot deny something. In IoT environment, a node cannot deny its message that has been sent to the other node. Data ownership will become a serious issue in IoT environment. To date, most authentication technologies for IoT systems are centralized in design and deployment and rely on a third party to authenticate the entities. One of them is Open Authorization Protocol. It is a token-based open standard protocol that authenticates users to access protected resources using a trusted centralized server. However, this approach has drawbacks such as high cost, being a single point of failure, hacking, and privacy evasion. To overcome the drawbacks of centralized based authentication, a decentralized authentication scheme using fog nodes and block technology is proposed here. For that scheme, we will be using 3 most powerful technologies, that is Internet of Things, blockchain, and fog computing. Blockchain can be a key enabling technology for providing security solutions to today's challenging IoT security problems. Blockchain is fundamentally a decentralized, distributed, shared, and immutable database ledger that stores registry of assets and transactions across peer-to-peer network. Every transaction in the ledger is digitally signed and validated by thousands of mining nodes in the network. Transactions are stored and organized in groups called blocks. These blocks are linked together to form a chain of blocks or a blockchain. The blockchain uses ECC and SHA-2 hashing scheme to provide strong cryptographic proof for data authentication and integrity. Bitcoin is one of the first and the most popular applications that run on the top of blockchain infrastructure. However, with the advent of Ethereum blockchain, which implements smart contracts, the potential use case for blockchain has become endless. Ethereum uses its own cryptocurrency called Ether, a decentralized platform of thousands of Ethereum virtual machines make up the Ethereum blockchain network. Smart contract is a digital protocol that aims at establishing agreement between communicating parties based on predefined rules and without the need for a trusted third party. Any proper user authentication scheme to IoT devices must consider the fact that IoT devices are resource constrained and unable to carry out heavy processing and computation. To overcome this limitation, we will use fog computing. Fog computing has emerged as a new computing paradigm that has the ability to perform localized processing, storage, and analytics for a group of IoT devices. As opposed to cloud, a fog node carried out local storage and processing in the close proximity to the IoT devices to reduce latency and response time from the cloud to IoT device. The proposed system architecture is composed of 5 main participants with access to Ethereum smart contract through the internet. Admins. Admins are responsible for managing the user access list and permissions for IoT devices. Furthermore, admins give permission through the smart contract for end users to access IoT devices. These permission attributes are used by the fork nodes to authenticate users. End users. End users are the customers who request access permission from the smart contract to access a certain IoT device. Once the users are granted access permission, they contact the designated fork node. Smart contract. The smart contract contains a mapping of all registered fork nodes and their associated IoT devices. Fork nodes. Fork nodes are also used in managing access to IoT devices. Each fork node is overseeing and managing a group of IoT devices. These fork nodes relieve the IoT devices from the burden of storage, memory, and computation. IoT devices. Each IoT device in the system is mapped to one fork node. Cloud. The cloud hosts aggregate and store IoT data. The data can then be subjected to heavy processing and analytics by the cloud servers. This scheme was implemented and tested using Remix, which offers rich features that facilitate testing and debugging smart contracts before deploying them. In this section, we highlight key implementation aspects related to smart contract. First, some smart contract variables, structures, and modifiers are defined here. A modifier only admin is created to restrict the execution of addition and deletion tasks to administer users only. Functions defined here are used to add authorized admin and to add mapping of IoT devices to users and fork nodes. Now we will test this program for different scenarios. This block is generated through Remix for a successful admin addition. On the other hand, if a non-admin user attempts to add entries to the smart contract, the operation fails with an error message, as shown here. When we attempt to delete an admin user from a non-admin account, same error message is generated again. When we delete a fork device mapping entry from an admin account, the operation is completed successfully.